Hello everyone. With its thick woody stems and small oval shaped leaves, the jade looks so much like a miniature tree, and this makes the plant very appealing, especially for decoration purposes in your home or your balcony or your garden. Now the jade lives for very long, and it has been known to be handed down from one generation to another generation, actually making it a very priceless family heirloom. So let us see what are the requirements and characteristics of this lovely plant. First thing that we need to remember is about the soil. Now, as far as soil requirements are concerned, the jade needs a well-drained soil. What is a well-drained soil? A soil in which when we water it, like we do in this pot, the water should come out of the drainage hole here. If the water does not come out and stays in the soil, the plant would become susceptible to fungal diseases like root rot, and we don't want that to happen to a plant. What would be an ideal soil for the jade? I have put a video on soil composition. You can look at it. I'm putting the link. But basically we would need a coarse soil, a composition of cocoa peat and perlite and certain other minerals would be a very good option for the jade. So this we need to remember, no extra water in the jade plant. Let's talk about sunlight now. Ideally, the jade plant needs 3 to 4 hours of sunlight in which it would grow very well. A young plant which is still immature cannot take in much of direct sunlight, so it needs to be kept only in indirect bright light. A mature plant on the other hand can take in more sunlight. If you have a window or a kitchen that is facing towards south, that would be the best place for your jade because it would get the morning or the afternoon sunlight and the plant will be quite happy in it. Because the plant has such high decorative value, people are tempted to put it inside their rooms. In fact, I also wanted, and in this very shelf, this rack that you can see behind me, I had put 2 jade plants over here because I really liked the look of the jade and it suited this place so well. But then I noticed that after 7-8 days, the small leaves of the jade plant, it started shedding them down, and I realized that the plant was not happy, and as soon as I shifted it outside, and within 4-5 days the plant was quite okay. So we need to remember that if we want to put the jade inside rooms where there is no sunlight, we can do it for the most for 2 or 3 days, not more than that. And after 2-3 days you can put it back again in the open where it would get its energy back, and then again maybe bring it back inside for 2-3 days. That is the max that you can do in case of jade plant. Unlike philodendron and pothos actually, which you can put for long period inside the rooms and your home, the jade plant is not so happy when there is absolutely no sunlight. Okay. So let's talk about the water requirements of the plant. When you put in a new jade plant, when you've just potted it, it is best not to water it immediately. Wait for a couple of days to a week to let the plant settle down. Otherwise, for a grown-up plant, water the plant only when it is completely dry. That is a thumb rule. You see that the topsoil is dry, put some water in it, and when you water it very deeply. With a jade, it is best not to follow a strict watering schedule like 3 days or 5 days or 1 week, whatever. It is best to check that the plant should be dry, because depending on the kind of container you are keeping and the winds that are blowing, it can vary. So the plant needs to be completely dry before it can be watered, and it will do fine. Talk about fertilization now. The plant does not need too much fertilization. I use only vermicompost because it grows much on its own. You can use vermicompost 2 or 3 times a year and your plant will grow fine. Next thing is repotting. Now this plant likes to be root bound and grows quite well and in a very compact manner. So until unless you don't want your plant to grow even bigger, there is no need to actually change the pot of the jade plant, and on an average it can live for 2 or 3 years in the same pot. It can be happy in it. Still, if you want your plant to become bigger, then you can always move it to a slightly bigger pot. On to pruning and propagation. Now pruning is very important for jade because I will show you, see how the plant grows in all directions. See this plant, there's a long stem coming, it's growing here, it's growing there. Look at this plant. It is growing in all directions, so many branches coming out. So you actually need to prune the plant, and you can do it in so many ways. Like this one I can prune in a round structure. I can give it, if I want, allow it to fill a bit and then give it a round structure, or make a peacock, or whatever shape you like, one can do it. But basically I am not so keen on those shapes, and I like the tree-like shape of the jade plant, and that is how I try to prune. So this is one small jade that that I'm growing in my coconut shell from a cutting, and see, I'm trying to give it a maintain its tree-like structure, and this was initially the plant that I had pruned, and from this cutting I have put it in this coconut, and this also in the tree-like structure. I'm trying to make it grow. Today I'm going to prune this plant, which you can see I have not trimmed it for a long time, I think almost a year, and I have decided to cut it now. So this main stem I will keep. So let us start and see how it goes. And propagation is so easy. Look at the number of this I have now, jade plants which I can propagate. So what is the way to propagate it? From the bottom you just take out a few leaves, and like suppose here I can put it. If I want more in this pot, again from here I will pluck a few leaves. Right, I have this stem, and I will put it in the soil. So actually jade plants, you just need to buy one jade plant, and then from it you can go on multiplying many more, and all these I will be using or gifting it to friends, so that this would make a nice this thing you see. This I will use myself. In a new pot I will put this, and not water it for 6 to 7 days, as I said, in a new plant, and only when the plant settles down and the roots start coming, we try to water it. So that is about the jade plant. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much.